Hi, I'm going to show you how you can create a timeline using the Padlet app. If you are using a computer, you'll need to go to padlet.com through your web browser. So these instructions will be fairly similar if you're using a computer. The first thing you need to do on your iOS device or your iPad is find the app itself. So if you don't know where it is on your iPad, swipe down to pull up the search menu and you can type in Padlet. That's going to pull up your Padlet app. From here, if you have never signed in before using Padlet, you'll have to sign up. If you have previously signed in, you're going to click Login. Either way, you're going to sign up or log in with your school login Google. And here you're just going to click Continue and select the account. Again, you want it to be your school account. This will bring you into Padlet. Now, because we use the free account, you can have a total of 3 Padlets. So if you have used this in the past and you have old Padlets on there, if you have 3, then you're going to have to delete some of them. If you want to save them, you can probably save it as a PDF, but we're going to go ahead and move forward. So the first thing you want to do is make a Padlet. Because we want a timeline out of all these selections, you're going to want to choose Timeline. From here, you're going to want to change the title. In order to do that, you go to the gearbox or the gear wheel, and we're going to change it to Road to Revolution. And in your description, you're going to want it to be the time period. So 1763 through 1775 is what we're covering. You can also change your wallpaper. It will automatically just come up with one, so whatever you want to change it to, you can. So for example, if you have a picture you want to include in the background, or you can just do it as a solid color. So I'll just do that for now. And we can go ahead and click Save. From here, we're going to actually add our events. To do that, you're going to click the little plus sign and add your information. So the title and the year. The first event you'll have is the Treaty of Paris. Notice you want to have your date first because it's a timeline. Right below, you're going to click and add the information that you have to record about the event. So you have 3 things you need to do. You need to include the cause. You need to include a summary. And you need to include the impacts. In addition to that, I want you to include an image. If you have an image you downloaded, you can go ahead and click the image box. If you need to find one, just click on the web search tool. In this case, I'm selecting up here. You have different ways to find it. I'm going to make sure I have images selected. I can type in whatever my event is. And we'll say this was the treaty, and I've included the picture. From here, I'm going to select Post, and there's my event. You're going to do this for every single event in your timeline, and you're obtaining all this information from the Google Slides that was created by your classmates. And so you can scroll up and down on the event. Now, once you have everything finished, I'm going to show you how to turn it in. The first thing that you want to do is click the 3 buttons up at the top right, and we are going to copy the link. So it says link copied to clipboard, click Done, and now I'm going to go back to Canvas. And you can do this in the Canvas Canvas app or in the Chrome browser using Canvas. Here I have the Canvas app. I'm going to pull that up. Let me go ahead into my assignment. Now this is not our typical assignments. This is my just my sample, and I've already turned it in, but I'll show you how. In yours it's just going to say submit, so I'm going to click resubmit in my case. Up here you'll notice there's a HTTPS. This is where you're going to put your copied link. So if you just hold your finger down for a moment on that line, you can click paste, and then it'll update it. There's your timeline, and you're going to click submit. And you're all done. You get confetti. Let me know if you have questions.